Well, hello. We are just outside of Rotorua in the North Island of New Zealand. What are you doing? We have just driven up some more windy roads and we are just about to go on a rail trip with a bit of a difference. This is called rail cruising. Do you want to tell people what rail cruising is?
I don't know what it is.
You don't know what it is? Well, I'll tell you what, come along for the ride and we'll all go and have a look and find out exactly what rail cruising is. Well, this looks like it must be the station, so let's go in and see if we can find where we get the tickets from.
Are these engines or...
So this is rail cruising. We shall shortly board one of these and be heading up into the beautiful hillside of New Zealand along this little track. And somebody's quite excited.
I cannot wait for today.
So after the safety briefing, everybody is loaded into the hybrid cars and one at a time, it's off you go. With a substantial distance left between each rail car, you get a completely unobstructed view, meaning that all you can see is the scenery in front and each side of you.
Makura koe e whai atu e.
Mostly it was around 40 metres wide.
The distance between Mamaku and Tarukenga stations is about 10 kilometres and takes approximately 45 minutes each way. There is an in-depth narration which accompanies your journey, but also just allows you comfortable time to take in the breathtaking views of Lake Rotorua and surrounding rolling farmland. Once you reach Tarukenga station, there is time to get out of the rail car, to stretch your legs a little and to see some of the surrounding views. Alternatively, you can stay on board for the turnaround. Okay. Then after a quick break, it's back in your rail car for the return journey back to Mamaku station. We had a thoroughly enjoyable afternoon rail cruising and would highly recommend this to anybody who is visiting the Rotorua area of New Zealand. For further information, you can visit their website www.railcruising.com.
Well, that was rail cruising. We hope you enjoyed the journey, and yeah, see you next time on Cameron Mum's Travel Vlog. Bye, see you next time, bye.